Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys. I am super excited about this video. I've been trying to do this video for a very long time, so I'm so happy that it's finally here. It's still not complete, but I feel like if I don't do this video now, I'm never gonna do it. So it's going to be my apartment tour. Yay! I hope that you guys like this video. Don't forget to like it, don't forget to share, subscribe to my channel Style the Body Live, and give it a thumbs up. So if you want to see my apartment tour, follow me. First walk into the apartment, you see this hanger thing that I used to hang my everyday bags, and in this corner I have a little shoe rack thing for my shoes. This ottoman is also like a storage thing for my sneakers. Then this entryway table, if you watched my previous video, I spray painted this entryway table into like gold color, so check that out. This tray, which I love, and everything on it is from Home Goods. Picture frame is from Home Goods as well. This lamp is from Home Goods. Then these flowers and the vase are from Home Goods as well. Literally everything is from either Home Goods or TJ Maxx. Then I have this box that I keep my letters in. It says Paris on top of it. This mirror here is from Home Goods as well. Then this is my kitchen here. So I have like a Paris theme going on. Like you can see this wall art says Paris as well. Most of these are from Walmart. This is a gift my cousin gave me. I super love this nice set. This is another gift, This is my sink, my stove. Eventually, I'm gonna change all of this because I don't like this brown stuff over here. So I'm gonna have an updated version maybe in the summertime. This is where I keep some glasses and plate, some cooking stuff. I have this little bar table and bar stool, like when I'm cooking, I could just sit down. These are, I believe, Marshalls. I usually put fruits in here, but as you can see, there's no fruits. My microwave, my refrigerator. So that's my kitchen. This is my coat closet. It's a mess, but yeah, I have like a whole bunch of stuff in here. And like I said, I'm gonna do like fix the kitchen and stuff. This is the wallpaper that I'm gonna use to do that. I have some Christmas decorations up there and a whole bunch of stuff. So this is another closet. I'm not gonna open it because this is a mess. I keep like my sewing stuff in there. So this is the hallway into the living room. I have this wall art that is super cute. Then in here, so this is my mannequin. I know you guys know that I sew, so I'm working on this dress right here. This wall art is from, I believe it was from Walmart. Then this is my dining table and dining chairs. The table is from Wayfair. It was originally black, the bottom, so I spray painted it into gold. The chairs are from Wayfair as well. They didn't come together, but yeah, I kind of like how it looks. It was 4 of them, but I couldn't put the last one here because it's gonna block the way into the living room. So the fake plants I got from Home Goods. So there's 2 of them. There's another one there. I don't want to show you guys yet. So yeah, these flowers and the vase, Save Us On, got those from. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys my little sewing station. I have my sewing machine here, and then the Pro Finish as well. Some stuff, my iPad, my ring light, and this chair is from Walmart. Okay, so moving into the living room, this couch is from Raymore and Flanagan, and the pillows in there, I don't even know where I got the pillows. This one I know I got from Home Goods or TJ Maxx, one of them. But these 2, I can't remember. If I do, I'll leave it below. This rug is from Home Goods as well, this throw. Then this wall painting that everybody loves, everybody keeps asking me about. I actually got it from a store called National Liquidators. They had this one and a couple other really good ones. My carpet, which is getting dirty already, is from Wayfair. This is me right here. This mirror is from Home Goods. This was a gift from one of my friends when I did my housewarming. This lamp is from Walmart. Now this accent chair, which I'm obsessed with, is from Wayfair, I believe. Then I have this that I put like throws and blankets in them. This is my little bar area. Couple drinks here. These chairs I got on eBay. The bar table as well. This little book holder is from Marshall. If you watch my previous video, you're gonna see how I spray painted this vase. It was like a rose gold color initially. Then this is my TV stand. I'm trying to figure out how to hide these wires. I don't know how. Some decor here. This light is from Century 21. All of these are from HomeGoods or TJ Maxx. These I got on the flight. I don't know, I think it's a shot that's in them, but I really don't know. It's like from KLM. My coffee table I got on eBay. Then these flowers I got from a store called Save-A-Thon. So I have them like all over on my dining table as well. My coasters I got on eBay together with this mirror tray. I have this candle that I'm obsessed with, so I don't even burn it. This little thing. So I have like a Paris theme going on in the house. You're gonna see little accents like that. This Chanel book I got from this website here, Asuline.com. And then the bottom Chanel book is from HomeGoods. Then I have a little shelf thing here. I wanted something to divide the room a little bit, so that's what I did, so that I could put my sewing machine on the other side. So these, bookshelf, this bookshelf is from Walmart. And then I just put like little details. This is from HomeGoods. A lot of stuff here are from HomeGoods. This is a candle from like Christmas time, but I decided to leave them here. These I'm obsessed with are from, I got these from a thrift store in Manhattan, I believe. This is my brand, Apomaya, New York. This is a little reminder, don't forget to dream. I have some flowers here. This says boss, just some accent stuff. This is like my Susu. Like I said, I have like a Paris theme going on, so this right here, another one, and I have this, so cute. This is the other vase. This candle. These are like my labels. My flamingo, my camera. Yeah, basically, this is what it looks like on the side, like that. Okay, so moving down here is my little closet. It's a mess right now, but I'm still gonna show you guys. So this is what it looks like. I have my suitcases up there, some hats, some stuff, some extra bags and hats. Now I'm gonna show you guys my bathroom. I wanna do some more work on my bathroom as well, so you guys will get an updated version, because I hate the floors. I want to change that. Some stuff, my makeup, towel, my sink. I'm gonna change this into like a white color as well. Now we're going into my bedroom. I have this mirror. I got this mirror from HomeGoods. It's really big. I have some pillows that I don't put on the bed anymore. This is like my wig and my mannequin head. A couple of wigs I have in there. My dresser. I have some lashes that I just take off and put in. Some jewelry in here. I have more stuff in here. Some of my perfumes, my favorite perfumes. I love this mirror tray, and this is like a console table, but I'm using it as a dresser. I got that on eBay, as a matter of fact. This is like a little jewelry thing my friend gave to me. I'm obsessed with it. This Impressions vanity mirror. It lights up, but I don't think it has batteries. And then this mirror is from eBay as well. So the console table is separate, and I just put it together like that. This plant that I'm obsessed with is from TJ Maxx. It's a fake plant. I'm literally like obsessed with this. So big. Then I have this dresser, and then I keep this rack here just to put stuff on it to remind me, you know, take pictures with or something like that. These are some dresses that I'm working on. I don't want to show that yet. My bedside table. My Bible. This is old. This is like 2019. This little lamp thing. I need to put a picture in here. Then my bed. My bed is from a furniture store. I forgot the name. I'm going to leave the link down below. The bedding and everything is from TJ Maxx. This throw is Home Goods. Then I have these flowers here. Little diffuser, candle, and this tray. This tray is from, I believe it's Century 21 or Home Goods. That little piece on top of my bed is from TJ Maxx. So is this wall art from TJ Maxx. I'm like obsessed with it. So I have this little fur thing here that I used to cover this ottoman. Has most of my boots. This rod is from TJ Maxx as well. Then I have this lamp. This lamp is from Walmart. Then I have my shoe rack. It's actually like a bookshelf. So I bought 3 bookshelves from Walmart, and I just put them together like that. I have some of my shoes. These are my brand. These are my shoes. I had like a shoe line at some point. I'm probably gonna bring it back, but yeah, these 2 designs. And then I like to keep these boxes. I feel like it's decorative. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.